Hi guys, I'm Daniel with MCH Australia Keg King. We're looking at mini kegs today. Mini kegs are a fantastic way to be able to take your beer on the go. And we've got 3 different sizes, a 2 liter, a 4 liter, and a 5 liter mini keg. So this gives you the opportunity and the option of going out with your beer and being able to serve it right on tap. So you don't need to take bottles, you don't need to take cans, you've got the whole little keg with you, and it's a perfect amount of beer for picnics, going to the beach, or just taking your beer to share with friends at a dinner party. The small keg sizes are all 304 stainless steel, which makes them really quite sanitary. You can fill them anaerobically with pressure fillers that we also have available through Keg King's website, like the tap cooler. Or you can just fill them straight through the lid with whatever your favorite beverage is. So when you get the keg can come just as a keg itself in the 2, 4, or 5 liter varieties. So you can have just the keg if you already have all the other attachments. If you want to serve from the keg and you don't have the attachments, you will need to get the coupler for the top of it. It has 2 Bolock Cornelius posts, one for gas, one for liquid, and a dip tube to go to the bottom of the keg. It also has a pressure relief valve to make the keg safe if it were to be under pressure. So once that's all hooked in, then you'll have to have a tap to serve from, and a disconnect, and an MFL tap shank adapter. The MFL tap shank adapter and disconnect setup looks like this, and that just seats right on the top, just like that. And then you'd have a gas variety as well. So in order to put pressure on the headspace to serve from these kegs, you will need another disconnect and maybe a CO2 charger like this one, which you control through here. And it uses these 16-gram CO2 bulbs, which look like that. So it will take probably about 2 or 3 bulbs to serve one of these kegs if the liquid inside is already carbonated. It has a gauge, so you can set the pressure that you're trying to keep in the headspace, and as you serve, this will automatically fill back up the pressure that's required as the keg gets lower. So we sell all these as packs, so you can get either a premium pack, which has plastic disconnects, or you can get the stainless steel variety, where everything in the kit is stainless steel. The stainless steel disconnects, and you get stainless steel ultra taps with all the kits as well. So we've taken the guesswork out of what do you need. You can just buy the whole complete set in either 2, 4, or 5 liter kegs. So we do have a second design for the coupler that will be available in the coming weeks. This coupler has the whole liquid side built in to the coupler itself. So the tap shank and what would have been an MFL tap shank adapter and a disconnect are now just one single piece to a tap shank where you can put your tap. It makes it a lot easier. You don't have to mess around with having lots of little parts. Instead, it's all built into one. So this one, you're going to get a disconnect, an MFL tap shank adapter, and you'll need to get a separate tap. So it's 3 parts: disconnect, tap shank adapter, and tap. And that will seat directly to the liquid side of this post. You'll simply put it on there, and then you'd be able to serve your beer that way. So check them out because they're a fantastic deal for the summer, for taking out to places, as I mentioned, be it dinner parties, the beach, on the go. And it's a great way to carry your craft beer, your home brew, around to showcase to other people. And a nice fancy package as well. So check them out, brewers. We know you'll like them.